Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Wikigen, hub of crazy knowledge. Friends, would you like to have a ride in a luxury car? Of course, every human on this earth want to have a ride in a luxury car, but it happens when we are rich. But friends, there are some cars in the world that are low priced but are luxury enough. So friends, are you ready to know the top 10 low priced luxury cars in the world?
Watch this video without skipping it. So without any delay, let's get into our topic. 10th, Cadillac ATS.
The Cadillac ATS is a luxury car manufactured and developed by General Motors Technical Center in Warren, Michigan. Cadillac assembles the ATS at the Lansing Grand River Assembly Plant in Lansing, Michigan. Founders of General Motors are William C. Durant and Charles Stewart Mott. Cadillac ATS stands for Alpha Touring Sedan. Maximum speed of Cadillac is 189 miles per hour. Price of Cadillac ATS is 38,995 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 28,96,000 Indian rupees, which made it the 10th low priced luxury car in the list.
9th, Lexus IS.
Lexus IS is a luxury car developed by Japanese automaker Toyota. The Lexus brand is marketed in more than 70 countries and territories worldwide. It is also the Japan's largest selling make of premier cars. It has ranked among the 10th largest Japanese global brands in market value. Lexus IS is headquartered in Nyogo, Japan. The founder of Toyota Motors is Kichiro Toyoda. Lexus IS is a hybrid engine. Maximum speed of Lexus IS is 124 miles per hour. Price of Lexus IS is 38,560 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 28,61,000 Indian rupees, which made it the ninth low-priced luxury car in the list.
8th, Jaguar XZ. Jaguar XZ is a luxury vehicle manufactured by Jaguar Land Rover Company, a British multinational car manufacturer with headquarters in Whitley, England.
Jaguar Land Rover Company was founded by Tata Motors. Maximum speed of Jaguar XZ is 155 miles per hour. Price of Jaguar XZ is 36,995 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 27,46,000 Indian rupees, which made it the 8th low-priced luxury car in the list.
7th, Lincoln MKZ.
Lincoln MKZ is a luxury vehicle developed and manufactured by Lincoln Motor Company. The MKZ was manufactured at Forbes Hermosillo Stamping and Assembly Plant in Mexico. Production ended in 2020 to make way for new Ford vehicles. Founders of Lincoln Motors are Wilfred Leyland and Henry M. Leyland. Maximum speed of Lincoln MKZ is 130 miles per hour. Price of Lincoln MKZ is 35,995 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 26,71,000 Indian rupees, which made it the 7th low-priced luxury car in the list.
6th, Infiniti Q50. Infiniti Q50 is a luxury vehicle developed by Nissan Motors Company. The new model debuted at the 2013 North American International Auto Show and went on sale in North America in the third quarter 2013 and in Europe in fourth quarter 2013.
Founders of Nissan Motors are Yoshisuke Aikawa, William Gorham, Rokuro Oyama, and Masujiro Moto. Maximum speed of Infiniti Q50 is 155 miles per hour. Price of Infiniti Q50 is 35,650 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 26,41,000 Indian rupees, which made it the 6th low-priced luxury car in the list.
5th, BMW 2 Series.
The BMW 2 Series is a subcompact executive car produced by BMW. There is also a new compact MPV body style which BMW refers to as an active tourer. BMW stands for Bearish Motor and Werken. Founders of BMW company are Kalle Rapp, Gustav Otto, Camilino Castiglione, and Franz Joseph Popp. Maximum speed of BMW 2 Series is 145 miles per hour. Price of BMW 2 Series is 35,300 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 26 lakhs 9,000, which made it the fifth low-priced luxury car in the list.
Third, Audi A3.
Audi A3 is a luxury vehicle manufactured and marketed since the 1990s by the Audi subdivision of the Volkswagen Group. The original A3 was introduced in the European market in 1996, marking Audi's return to the production of smaller cars following the demise of the Audi 50 in 1978. Maximum speed of Audi A3 is 250 miles per hour. Founder of Volkswagen Company is August Horch. Price of this car is 33,300 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 24 lakh 63,000, which made it the third low-priced luxury car in the world.
Fourth, Genesis G70.
Genesis G70 is a luxury car manufactured by Korean automakers Genesis. It is the subsidiary of Hyundai. Founder of Genesis G70 is Peter Schreier. He is also the designer of this car. Maximum speed of this car is 170 miles per hour. The Genesis G70 was under development for several years and was previewed by the Genesis New York Concept Show. Price of this car is 34,900 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 25 lakhs 80,000, which made it the fourth low-priced luxury car in the list.
Third, Audi A3.
Audi A3 is a luxury vehicle manufactured and marketed since the 1990s by the Audi subdivision of the Volkswagen Group. The original A3 was introduced in the European market in 1996, marking Audi's return to the production of smaller cars following the demise of the Audi 50 in 1978. Maximum speed of Audi A3 is 250 miles per hour. Founder of Volkswagen Company is August Horch. Price of this car is 33,300 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 24 lakh 63,000, which made it the third low-priced luxury car in the world.
Second, Mercedes-Benz A-Class.
Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a luxury car manufactured by German automobile manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. The first generation was introduced in 1997. The second generation model appeared in the late 2004, and the third generation model W176 was launched in 2012. Maximum speed of this car is 135 miles per hour. Price of Mercedes-Benz A-Class is 32,500 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 24 lakhs 2,000, which made it the second low-priced luxury car in the list.
First, Acura ILX.
Acura ILX is a luxury car manufactured by Honda. All ILX variants are based upon the 9th generation Civic sedan. The ILX replaces the Acura CSX, which was sold only in Canada. The ILX became Acura's first compact model in the United States since the RSX was discontinued after the 2006 model year, and their first compact sedan in the United States since the Integra was last produced in 2001. The ILX was also Acura's first gasoline-electric hybrid vehicle. Maximum speed of ILX is 130 miles per hour. Price of Acura ILX is 25,900 US dollars, which in Indian currency is 19 lakhs 15,000, which made it first in low-priced luxury cars in the world. What would I like to say before ending this video is, hybrid cars are definitely more environment friendly than internal combustion vehicles. Batteries are being engineered to have a long life. Research into other energy sources such as fuel cells and renewable fuels make the future look brighter for hybrid cars.
Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Vicky signing off. Bye bye.